students, today we will be learning parallel lines. Okay, so this is very easy chapter in scoring chapter. Also this is the base for whatever we will be studying geometry in the next chapters and also for standard 10. So please look at this video carefully. Now suppose these are two lines L and M which are parallel to each other. These two lines are parallel to each other. Then these two angles are known as corresponding angles and they are congruent to each other. Okay, तो corresponding angle समझा? देखो जिधर ऐसा ही है वैसा ही इधर same to same corresponding. Okay, even this one and this one corresponding. So here you understood, correct? So whenever two lines are parallel, the corresponding angles are congruent. समझा? Now even this angle is congruent to this angle. These are known as alternate angles. तो देखो alternate angles कभी भी ऐसा z बनेगा. देखो alternate angles. Okay, even this and this are alternate angles. Okay, this and this है ना. कैसा देखो ऐसा z बन रहा है. Correct? This and this alternate angles. So what did we see? When two lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles are congruent. तो ये देखो these are corresponding angles, these are corresponding angles, and the alternate angles are also congruent. देखो ये दोनों alternate angles. समझा? तो what we learn corresponding angles. What are corresponding angles? And they are congruent only when the two lines are parallel. We saw what are alternate angles. इसको alternate angles बोलते हैं, and they will be congruent only when the lines are parallel. Okay, now we see what are interior angles. Suppose you have two parallel lines. See, this is angle A, this is angle B. So A plus B will be 180 degree. See, these are interior angles 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now here you take C, you take D, then C plus D will be 180 degree. ये 180 degree कब होगा? Only when these two lines will be, only when lines M and N will be parallel. Otherwise it will not be 180 degree. This is known as, these are interior angles. तो समझा हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा? Corresponding angles, alternate angles and interior angles. So whenever two lines are parallel, some of the interior angles on one side of a transversal. Everybody knows that this is known as a transversal, right? जिनको नहीं पता वो लोग समझ लो. इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग transversal. So whenever two lines are parallel, the interior angles on either side of the transversal, the sum of the interior angles on either side of the transversal is 180 or they are supplementary. Okay? Now इस सब का हम लोग क्या देखेंगे अभी? Converse. In the last class we saw what are converse statements. Now what does converse statement say? अभी हमने थोड़ी देर पहले क्या देखा? If two lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles are congruent. अभी उसका उल्टा क्या? If the corresponding angles are congruent, then the lines will be parallel. इसको बोलते हैं corresponding angles test. टेस्ट कब आएगा? Whenever we are saying that two lines are parallel, तभी टेस्ट आएगा. If the corresponding angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. Converse किया हमने बस. हमने थोड़ी देर पहले क्या देखा था? If two lines are parallel, then the corresponding angles are congruent. अभी हम उल्टा बोल रहे हैं. If the corresponding angles are congruent, then the two lines are parallel. ये हो गया corresponding angle test. Then we will see alternate angles test. वो क्या बोल रहा है? That if a pair of alternate angles are congruent, मतलब if this is congruent to this, then the lines are parallel. और हम लोग देखेंगे interior angles test. Interior angles test. So what is interior angle test saying? That if sum of pair of interior angles is 180 degree, then the two lines are parallel. Okay, understood? इस चैप्टर में सिखाने जैसा इतना ही है. Now we will start with the exercises. So everybody open Exercise 2.1. So it is something like this. Here it is given 85 degree. This is R, B, Q, G, S. Okay. So now they are telling you to find out the following angles. RHD. RHD. This plus this is 180. Reason क्या? Angles in linear pair, correct? ये plus ये 180 होता है कि नहीं? Because this is the straight line. ऐसा. So if this is 85, this will be how much? Obviously 95 degree, correct? तो ये कितना होगा? 95 degree. Next, PHG. PHG. Now simple. ये 95 तो ये 95. क्या है? Vertically opposite angle C. This will be congruent to this vertically opposite. हमको पता है पहले से. This is congruent to this vertically opposite. Similar way, this will be congruent to this vertically opposite. अच्छा चलो समझो, suppose तुमको ये नहीं आता, तुम भूल गए, तो तुम क्या कर सकते हो? ये plus ये 180 डिग्री है कि नहीं? ये भी straight line बन रहा है. So 85 plus this angle is 180 degree. Therefore you can say again this is 95 degree. Then HGS. HGS. You have to find out this. तो देखो अभी ये 85 तो ये भी 85 होगा. Corresponding angles, correct? चलो तुम बोले सर मेरे को ये नहीं करना, मेरे को corresponding का spelling नहीं आता है. तो क्या करेंगे? Interior angles use करो. These two lines are parallel. This plus this will be 180. वैसा find out करो. कैसा भी करो, you will get this to be again 85 degree. Then you have MGK. This again ये 85 तो ये भी 85. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. You have C, A, 110, 115, B, B. Now you have to find out. Now if you see carefully that P and Q are parallel to each other, but L and M are not parallel. तो इसको और इसको corresponding ले सकते हैं क्या? नहीं ले सकते. ये corresponding है पर congruent नहीं है. Correct? Can we take these as interior angles? No, they are interior angles, but they are not supplementary. They will not be 180 degree. Why? Because these two lines are not parallel. तो हम कैसे लेंगे? देखो, ये दोनों तो parallel है और ये transversal, ऐसे consider करेंगे. तो देखो अभी, this is 110, this plus this will be 180 degree. Correct? तो ये A कितना होगा? 70 degree होगा. Simple logic. अभी this is 115, तो ये C कितना होगा? 115. Now इधर ये 115 है, तो D कितना होगा? 115 plus D will be 180 degree, correct? तो D कितना होगा? 180 minus 115. 65 डिग्री. समझ में आया? डी. अभी बी कैसे निकालेंगे? देखो तुमको कभी भी देखना है कि these two lines are parallel and this is the transversal, correct? Now if this is 110 degree, ठीक है? If this is 110, this will be also 110. Alternate angles. और ये 110 तो ये कितना होगा? 70 डिग्री. करेक्ट? बिकॉज ये दोनों मिला के 180 है. ओके, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. ए बी सी 45। ठीक है, देखो बहुत इजी, ये 45 तो ये 45 होगा, करेक्ट। Now this is 45, ये प्लस ये 180, करेक्ट। a प्लस 45 180 डिग्री, तो a कितना होगा 180 माइनस 45, दैट इज 135 डिग्री। 135 डिग्री, करेक्ट। तो a इक्वल टू तुमको आया 135 डिग्री, तो b भी 135, ये दोनों क्या है करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स, सी बी 135। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, ओके, पी क्यू आर एक्स वाई जेड। Now we have to prove that PQR is congruent to XYZ. PQR is congruent to XYZ. Construction, इसको कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे ऐसा थोड़ा, ओके, इसको कंस्ट्रक्ट किया। Now what can we say? Angle XYZ congruent to angle, इसको नाम देंगे A, congruent to angle XAR। देखो corresponding angles है कि नहीं, corresponding angles when these two are parallel and this is the transversal, correct। Now if these two are parallel and this is the transversal, तो क्या होगा, ये corresponding होंगे कि नहीं होंगे। देखो these two are parallel और ये transversal है ना, कंसीडर कर लो थोड़ा सा, ये दोनों पैरेलल है और ये ऐसा ट्रांसवर्सल है स्लीपिंग, सो दीस टू विल बी कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स। सो एंगल PQR congruent to angle XAR, करेक्ट। देखो PQR is congruent to XAR, अभी ये दोनों भी XAR को congruent है, so from 1 and 2 what can we say? Angle XYZ congruent to angle PQR, ओके। सिस्टमेटिकली प्रूफ लिख के तुमको दिया जाएगा बाद में, ओके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, वेरी इजी, you should be able to do it on your own, but still I'll guide you a bit। ठीक है, नाउ तुमको निकालना है ART। अगेन I can we'll find out all the angles, come on। if this is 105, this will be how much, ये कितना होगा तुम्हारा 75 होगा, 75 क्यों होगा, देखो ये प्लस ये 180, करेक्ट। अब ये 75 है तो ये कितना होगा, ये 105। देखो all the acute angles will be 75 and all the obtuse angles will be 105। देखो ये 105, ये 75, सिंपल। ये प्लस ये 180 होगा, देखो ये और ये करस्पॉन्डिंग, ये और ये करस्पॉन्डिंग, ये और ये करस्पॉन्डिंग, है ना। वेरी इजी, यू शुड बी एबल टू डू इट ऑन योर ओन। वी मूव टू प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.2।